Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how to take apart the client's computer successfully, as well as showing you how to put it back together successfully so that it is in full, functional and working order. As you can see in the first part of the video, here I'm just taking off the computer case and resting it on the workstation. And in this part of the video I'm removing the hard drive by putting the green bit forward on the case, taking apart the SATA cables, removing 1 and 2 from the hard drive, and taking it out of its casing slot, as you can see there, and just placing it on the work surface. In the next part of the video I'm removing the RAM by sliding the legs forward from the motherboard, taking out the RAM and placing it on the work surface. Now in this part of the video I've just lifted up the computer in order to remove the front casing from the computer. I am doing this in order to remove the optical drive, which is placed at the front of the PC, and slide it out from the front. As you can see here, I'm using the screwdriver to push forward the case and open it. So now that the case has been removed successfully, I've just rested it on the side of the computer, and now I'm going to take out the optical drive from the front of the computer. First of all, to take it out, I need to remove the SATA cables placed at the back of the PC. As you can see here, I've removed the first one, and in this part of the video I had some difficulty removing the second one because it was very tough and fiddly to remove, but I managed to get it out. And then I pulled back the green slot to push forward the case from the front, as you can see here, just resting it on the workstation once more. So with that all said and done, I have now successfully removed all computer parts from the client's PC, and in the next part of the video I will show you how to successfully put them back together so that the computer is in full functional and working order. So the first part of putting the computer back together is to place in the DVD drive, also known as the optical drive. In order to do this, I've just pushed it into the slot where it was originally placed, as you can see here. And the first job here to reconnect it is to insert the SATA cables into the back of the optical drive. So once that bit has been completed, as you can see here, simply I'm just placing the front case back onto the computer by pushing it into the front of the PC. As you can see here, it just clips on nicely, and therefore that is done. So in the next part of the video, I'm inserting the RAM back into the motherboard. In order to do this, I push it down into its original slot. Those two blue slots there. The RAM just fits in nicely. As you can see here, I just push it down. I clip it back on either side, so therefore the RAM is placed in. So the final part of the video, basically, I'm just inserting the hard drive back into the computer case. It's the final component that needs to go into the computer. As you can see here, I've just inserted it, and now inside the hard drive I'm placing in the SATA cables. As you can see, the first one has gone in nicely, and the second one here is about to go in. All these SATA cables help to connect up the hard drives from the motherboard and help them to function properly. So to finish the job, finally, just place the case on the side of the computer, as you can see here, just clipping it on the back and pushing it into the front. So I've showed that every single component has been installed successfully. Thank you for watching.